Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as Udemy premium courses with free coupon IDs. So if you're really interested in these topics, you can subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel. So let's start this video. Today's job notification has come from Reliance Jio. They are hiring freshers. It's a freshers recruitment for graduate engineer trainee position. BE Tech opportunity. It's so those who are not from the BE Tech background, those can leave this video. So those who have come first time in our channel, please hit the subscribe button. So let's start. BE Tech can apply as I have said. So the location they are hiring for Mumbai. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity to work with there. So from now it's a remote work from home location job. So as of now you need to do work from home after selection, but when the situation will become okay, then you have to shift to Mumbai. Okay, the education required is BE Tech, experience required is freshers. The area they are asking the engineering and technology. So the job description they had mentioned that you have to design, plan and engineer end-to-end international networks. You have to coordinate with device product teams, validate the technical requirements, support the preparation of technical level proposals, execute validation of service providers capabilities in terms of performance coverage, analyze and troubleshoot the network. Okay, so the skills and competencies they are asking, if you have the knowledge of 4G 3G 2G network, it will be plus point to you. So those candidates who are from CS background and also from IT background, those you have to prepare very well in networking subject, and you have to have get the all idea about 4G 3G 2G network, and also the network deployment, all the models used for network deployment. You have to have the best communication skills because you will be deal with the customer also. You have to have analytical skills, team player you must be a, and you have some knowledge of business acumen. So I think the salary will be quite good, through 2.5 LPA to 3.2 LPA. Within this range you will get, and if you're really interested you can click on this apply link. So I will give this link in my description box. Here you need to click on apply now, and then if you have the account you can directly log in with your email ID and password. If you are new user, click on new user, then registration form will be open to you. Just fill the email address, password, your first name, last name, date of birth, your country, phone number, and type the captcha code here. Then you have to do the confirm. Your registration will be done. Then you have to log in again and click on the apply button for the graduate engineer trainee position in Jio. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity in Mumbai location. And as of now they're asking to do the work from home, so it's a very good opportunity. You will earn up to 3.2 LPA. So it's a very good opportunity as I have mentioned. So you will get a chance to work with Jio in your starting of your career. So I think you can apply because there is no last date. So if you are getting the job notification now, you can as soon as early as possible apply for this job. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you really get help from this video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends and hit the like button. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video with new job updates.